Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I will tell you about how to fix Xbox suspension ban not showing on enforcement history. So many users face this problem that in enforcement history suspension ban not showing. So what solution of this problem is, I will tell you in this video. So make sure you subscribe our channel and hit the like button for more and more interesting videos. So I will come in Microsoft page, and there many people faces this problem. So what's this problem solution, I will tell you. So a man said that I was permanently suspended. I want to a case review. So he said that I am waste I have spent many money on this. So another person said that there is an issue with suspension notification telling everyone there is permanent ban, but there is actually a temporary suspension, and that's some error in the website. So there is no permanent suspension, so you will have to wait to site to be fixed to see the reason. So site is not accurate, and there is error in site. So many users think that they have permanent suspension in Xbox, but that's not possible. They have temporary suspension, and after some time this suspension will be over. So you need to wait for the some time, and after 1 or 2 weeks this problem will be solved. And if you want more help, then you can contact Xbox by their mail. You can mail him on social media, and they can reply you on within 2 or 3 days. So that's the problem solution. I will hope you that you will get valuable information from this video. Make sure you subscribe our channel.